Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of The Agent's Edge. My name is Ryan Polimeni. Today we're going to talk about adding new programs to your financial services practice. Now, this is something that I need you to understand when it comes to taking ownership of your business. I've been guilty of this. I struggle with it from time to time as well, but here's the deal. As an insurance advisor, insurance agent, financial advisors, financial professional, you are in charge of your business. And the one mistake that I have seen so many advisors and agents make over my 13 years of doing this has been waiting for somebody to bring it to you. Your FMO, your IMO, to bring you new presentations to work off of, to bring you new programs to work off of, you new platforms to work off of. Here's what I could tell you. The most successful advisors and agents that I have coached and I have met all go out and seek new opportunities on their own. Let me give you an example of what I mean. If you are just doing mortgage protection, final expense, and that's all you're doing over and over and over again, wouldn't it be time for you to go out and find an IUL training platform if your FMO or IMO doesn't provide it to you? There are so many out there that are really good. And I'll tell you right now, we as my firm, we are bringing on a brand new IUL training platform that already has pre-made presentations. I don't try to reinvent the wheel. That already has an entire training program around it, already has marketing behind it. It is a turnkey solution. There are times where you're going to have to go out, seek out these things on your own, and make the investment on your own. And again, I say this because I've seen so many people complain to me that their FMO doesn't do anything for them or they're not being innovative. Well, guess what? Your job is to be the CEO of your company and go out and seek these different platforms. I got to tell you this. Truthfully and honestly, my business partner, Brian, is one of the best at this. He comes to me all the time. He's like, "Did you see this new platform? Did you see this? Do you see this? Do you see it?" And I'm like, "Dude, you are the most resourceful person I've ever met in my life." But I got to tell you, that is what's made our practice really successful over the last 5-6 years is our ability to innovate and add new programs in and build marketing plans around them. So even though you may find a turnkey, let's say estate planning platform, and they've got a good training, right? They can teach you how to do an estate plan, but what about the marketing? So every single time you add a platform, it may be missing a piece to the puzzle or a component to it. That's your job to fill it in. If you can get a good turnkey program and maybe you have to go and build marketing around it, that's fine. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. So here's a few things that I would be looking for if I was you. This is what we have added to our firm, which has created over 400 leads in 1 month. Okay, I'm just telling you because we do this. I'm not giving you advice that I'm not doing myself and that we're not doing in our firm. So here are some platforms I would find if I were you. I don't care if you're just doing mortgage protection, final expense. Don't care if you're a financial advisor. You should look at a few platforms. Number one is an IUL and whole life platform. They have this thing called infinite banking. That's around the whole life system. If you have not even heard of infinite banking, you should start paying attention to it, okay? If you want to learn how to write larger cases, the infinite banking system is a great way. You should be looking for a turnkey IUL platform. And I'm not just talking about, a presentation. I'm talking about a training platform. I'm talking about a presentation and seminar platform built into it. If they have marketing material, even better. If they have online courses and academy, even better. These are some of the things you should be looking for. I would also be looking for an estate planning platform because since we've added estate planning to our firm in the last year and a half, we have absolutely taken off when it comes to sales, both AUM, annuity, life insurance. To be honest with you, I think it's one of the best leads in the world. Why? Because in order for somebody to get their estate plan done, and you're working with them, they have to sit with you and go through the first appointment, which is all the fact-finding to bring to the attorneys. You're not the attorney. You're not writing up the plan. Your job as the advisor is to be the person doing the intake. It's where you find all the opportunities, and then you pass it along to either somebody you're working with or if you find a system like we do that's got estate planners all over the country. But what a great way to work with somebody, find out what their assets are, give them some guidance as they go into the estate planning world. incredibly powerful lead, okay? The last thing is a tax plan solution, okay? A training system on taxes, a training system on, how do you read a tax return? Why would you want to know that? If you have interest in starting your own tax practice, find somewhere that you can learn how to implement that into yours. Look, in 2019, we became a registered tax firm. Why? Well, because I want people to come back to us every single year. I want to be known as a tax preparer, as a tax planner. And the reason that's important is because people trust the person they do their taxes with the most. They trust their CPAs. They trust their tax advisor. And if you can be that for somebody, you'll be the most trusted person in their life. And as you build a retirement plan, you should be building it from the taxes up anyways. It puts you into a totally different category when it comes to building a retirement plan. So listen, the message that I want to get to today is to take the bull by the horns when it comes to your business. No one is going to do it for you. Let me say this in a different way too. No one owes you anything. You are the CEO of your company. I don't care what your upline has done, your downline has done, your sideline has done. I don't care. It is up to you to take control of your business. So take control of it. Be innovative. Go out and find solutions to the problems. Go out and invest in your business. Invest. The IUL platform we're bringing on is like $2,500. Invest in it. If you can turn that investment into one sale, you've made your money back. Okay? We have invested in programs that were $30,000. Great. It makes us $100,000 in return. Take control of your business. I don't care what IFMO you're with, what IMO you're with. I don't care if you're just getting started. Take control of your business. This is the CEO mentality versus the salesman mentality we talk so much about. Listen, I hope it's been helpful for you. Own it. Go out there and own it. Don't let 5-6 years go by and someone else tries to run your business. You run your business. Thanks so much for watching. I hope it's been helpful for you. If you like this, hit the like button. Make sure if you have not subscribed yet, I know some of you are watching and you have not subscribed to my channel. Hit that subscribe button for me. Like it, share it. We'll see you on the next episode.